Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to be making a full custom stainless steel exhaust system using this Flowmaster 40 series muffler and this stainless steel piping. Now I'm going to record some footage of the exhaust because as of now it's open header and I want to show the difference between both the sound quality and the quietness difference. Now that you know how the truck sounds, it's time to make it sound a whole lot better. Now that the truck is jacked up, my dad's going to be doing most of the work from here, bending pipes and welding, because I don't know how to do either of those things. So I'm going to watch and learn, and I'm going to record it. So here you can see we have the header bolted to the main pipe, and you can see it goes down below this cross member here, and this is the speedometer cable. We're probably gonna move that up above so as not to worry about heat causing problems, and then you have to go down below this cross member here, and then it should go back and then to here. And it's being held up right now, but it stops a little bit before the bed begins. And the muffler's gonna go about right here, and then we need to buy a pipe to go over the axle, and then we're gonna need a 90-degree to get it to mount up to the factory location back there. exhaust is finished, so let's go give it a test drive and see how it sounds. So after taking it for a drive, I think it sounds pretty good. It's about what I expected. I mean, it's a lot quieter than before. It's actually drivable, and I mean, it's nice overall. If you want to copy the overall build, you're going to need to have the eBay stainless steel exhaust header, because I don't believe it will fit exactly the same if you have the pace setter header or the stock manifold. So I'm going to leave a detailed write-up on the exhaust in the description, and probably links to where you can buy all the materials I used. But other than that, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Goodbye.
Visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,